Happy birthday, Trey Trey. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, JJ. I love you.
Happy birthday, puppy. I'm so excited that you're turning 5. I'm so proud of you, and I want to wish you a super happy birthday. It's going to be so much fun.
What up, Trey Trey? Happy birthday. This is Papa, man. Hope you're enjoying your day. Enjoy your day. Be good, be excellent, be great. And I wish you many more birthdays to come. Love you.
She made my heart pound and skip a beat when I see her in the street. And
happy birthday, Trey Trey. Hope you have fun today. You play and eat lots of cake. Enjoy your special day and see you very soon. Bye-bye.
but I just keep on saying,
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grandma Trey Trey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Grandma. I love you so much. I hope you enjoy your gaming party. And stay tuned. It might be a little surprise for you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Trey Trey, from Zana.
It was in.
We hope you have a wonderful day on your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Trey Trey.
Out of the trades up. Trey.
Big 5. We love you. Wish you many more.
Oh, goodness. Hello, Trey Trey. How are you? Granny, I love you, and I want to tell you happy birthday to you.
Hi, Trey Trey. It's Auntie T. Just wanted to let you know, have a happy birthday. Love you. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.
Hey, Trey Trey. This your Uncle Todd, man. I just wanted to say happy birthday. I hope you're having an amazing day. Definitely excited to see where you go in life. My firstborn nephew. So I do want to just thank you for just being awesome and just being so loving and caring, man. Love you. Have a good day, buddy.
Trey, what's up, man? It's your Theo Tebu. Happy birthday, man. I'm here wishing you a happy birthday. I enjoy watching you grow up. You're going to be one of the best soccer players there is, man. Keep doing good and keep striving, man. I love you. Happy ski day, man.
Hey, Trey. This is Cece and
Armani.
and
Alani.
in the bed.
Elena.
Okay, hold on, y'all. We got 2 more, but they sleep, so I'm gonna make this quick. This is Papa. Wait. We got one more. Your Uncle Louis is asleep, but we got one more. Your Uncle Louis sleep. But we just want to say, Trey, we love you so much. Happy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th birthday! Woo! We love you, big boy, and we're going to see you this Saturday, and we're going to turn up at the what? Roblox party. Woo! Love you, bud. Mwah.
What's up, Trey? It's your Theo Tebu. Happy birthday, man. I hope you have a good one. It's a pleasure watching you grow up. I hope you have a good day and enjoy it.
Hey, Trey. Just want to wish you a happy 5th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and your party. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you, but I am sending you lots and lots of love from Jacksonville, Florida, all the way to Atlanta. Enjoy your birthday and enjoy your party. I love you.
Hi, Trey. It's Tati, your favorite auntie. At least I hope so. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh my God, you are such a big boy and I love you so very much. I cannot wait for your birthday party. We're going to have so much fun. But Trey Trey, I hope you enjoy your birthday. You're amazing. You're an awesome nephew. Love you to the moon, all the way back. See you soon.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.